Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SYRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. And first thing, before anything else, I'm just going to do some house cleaning and get rid of all these lines. Sure, those levels do still pertain, but because today's movement was so big, those levels are kind of irrelevant right now. And I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. So one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, when you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above $6.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.90, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. So again, yeah, staying above 690 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? So the first level, and really the one that really stands out to me, is this little trend line here, which is essentially kind of mapping out this consolidation that formed after that opening 30 minutes. So a tight little range here, but if there is going to be any sort of continuation and potential to get back above $8, the price is definitely going to have to get above that trend line there. So keep a close eye on that. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volume today. Great way to end the week. So now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.